Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Bowling off with cricket news, players and stakeholders are bemoaning the state of the main cricket venue in the parish of Portland, Folly Oval. As Jerome Foster reports, the Parish Association president says he's getting little to no help in reviving the once vibrant venue.
You could call it folly. The current state of Portland's marquee cricket field, the Folly Oval. It's a venue not currently fit for sporting activities, but one perhaps more suited for animal grazing by the looks of it. Portland is well known for its physical beauty and jerk chicken and pork, and the apparent decline of the Folly Oval facility is pushing the sport of cricket further down the pecking order. Folly Oval's maintenance over the years was driven by former Portland Cricket Association and JFF president Hugh Perry. Perry died in 2020, and by the looks of it, so did the parish's premier cricket venue. Godfrey Flemings has assumed the role of president, but things are not the same.
In terms of cricket in Portland, we are now at a stage where we need to be doing some rebuilding. We have been struggling with the field at Folly Oval, which is our main field. And because of that, we have not been playing any cricket at Folly since about 2020. For our senior competition and our junior competitions also, we have had to be using a field in Swift River, which is in Western Portland.
There is no finger pointing, but for Flemings, help is not coming the way of the Portland Cricket Association.
Lack of funds is forcing us to dig into our pockets to maintain it, and our pockets are not very deep. Yes, we have reached out to the JCA in terms of what is happening at Folly, but the only funds that we would get from JCA would be to run their competitions. One
of the parish's leading lights and captain of Buff Bay United cricket team, Leron Tyrrell, believes a lack of vision is a contributing factor.
The state that it is in now, it kind of jeopardizes the level of cricket we're supposed to be moving or heading towards, because that's where everybody used to come out and watch cricket, watch the guys and exhibit their talents. Productivity would have shown there. More you have tourists come there and stop by to get a watch up the game and so forth. Now, the field itself is in a deplorable condition.
Fleming says while he was ushered into the role, he's feeling the weight of expectation from an anxious public.
The pressure that I'm really under is to ensure that Folly is at a state that cricket can be played there, and that persons within the community can have access to it, because you know that there are a lot of exercise and fitness is done there, and it's just a matter of getting it up and running. That is the major issue now.
It was historically one of the important cultural sites in the East, but the lack of investment in Portland's cricket facility could prove to be folly in the long run. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.